This is the story of the one. As head of maintenance at a concert hall, he knows the show must always go on. That's why he works behind the scenes, ensuring every light is working, the HVAC is humming, and his facility shines. With Grainger's supplies and solutions for every challenge he faces, plus 24/7 customer support, his venue never misses a beat. Call quickgrainger.com or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
You're listening to Not Busy Podcast, where we show you how to do life and business confident, focused, and with a plan so that you can make more money. Have more free time and less stress. Your host, Wayne Withersby, will uncover actionable hacks, strategies, tips, and insights you can use today to live a better, more productive life. It's time to boost your mindset, confidence, and your attitude. Here's your host, Coach Wayne.
Hello, and welcome. It's the Productive Not Busy podcast with me, Wayne Withersby. And if this is your first time, welcome to the show. And if you've been sticking with us from one of the 108 countries around the world, thank you for keeping this movement alive. I really appreciate it. I would have never have thought this 5 years ago when we started. And I want to give a few shout outs to some friends of the show, Subaru and Smirnoff, for powering today's conversation. And today's a good one. Today we're diving into the hot topic that's on everybody's lips, artificial intelligence. And specifically, why AI is not here to replace you. It's here to empower you. And here's the headlines, right? AI taking over jobs, or AI is killing creativity. The machines are coming. And yeah, it's true. AI is changing the game. But here's the mindset shift. AI doesn't erase your value. It amplifies it. I want you to think about it like this. Think of it like power tools for your brain. You can build a house with just a hammer and nails, but if someone else walks up and hands you a nail gun, why wouldn't you use it? It doesn't make you less skilled. It makes you faster, sharper, and more effective, right? That's kind of the idea. So let's take a real look at this. Okay, people who fear AI usually do so because they haven't learned how to use it yet. Fear comes from confusion. But once you get your hands dirty, you realize it's not here to think for you. It's here to think with you. So how do we use AI to empower ourselves without losing the human edge? Well, I've got 3 ways to do that today. And we're going to talk about them right now. The first one is let AI handle the busy work. Okay, most of the junk that clogs your day, the repetitive emails, the scheduling, the data crunching, the marketing, AI eats that stuff for breakfast. And that frees you up to do the real human work, right? Conversations, connecting, selling, leading, and creating. Imagine having the best personal assistant on the planet who never sleeps and doesn't complain. That's what AI is. Number 2, we got to use AI to spark, not replace creativity. And what do I mean by that? Well, a lot of folks worry that AI kills originality, and I don't believe that. It actually feeds it. Think about a blank page of paper, and you stare at it, and nothing comes. But if AI throws you 3 or 4 rough drafts, suddenly your brain is lit up with ideas, right? AI is the spark, but you're still the fire. The magic is in how you shape it. What do I mean by that? Well, number 3 is you got to keep the human edge. Okay? Look, AI can generate content. I get accused of it all the time. I'm a musician. I write songs. I write music. Okay? But I don't let it do it for me. I will create something and then let AI be kind of like a partner who's going to critique it. I still use the fishbowl for this show. I throw a bunch of pieces of paper in this thing all week long, and I reach in before each show and I grab a piece of paper, and that's what I'm going to talk about. I grab my trusty black Sharpie and my yellow notepad, and I get after it, and I start writing and writing and writing and writing and writing and writing and writing. Okay? And then I'll take it and I'll dump it into ChatGPT and let it look at it for me and say, hey, look, first of all, I want to know, none of us are reinventing the wheel here. But what we can do is we also can make sure that we're safe and make sure that we're not missing anything, any points, and that we're being truthful, okay? And we're bringing some quality content. Okay, but again, AI can generate and analyze trends and even write code. But what it can't do is be you. It can't tell your story. It can't empathize with your clients and their problems. It can't build trust in a handshake or read the energy of a room. That's your lane. Remember, the first rule of business is you've got to people good first. If you can people good, you can use all the tools to be superhuman. The people who win with AI will be the ones who use it as leverage, but double down on their humanity. The future belongs to those who can merge the tech and your heart. And let me tell you, the world is about to split into two camps. I've been watching it. Those who learn to ride the AI wave and those who get crushed under it. It's that simple. But there's good news. You don't need to be a coder or a scientist or some Silicon Valley genius, okay? You just need to be curious enough to try and disciplined enough to learn one new way AI can help you each month. So close your eyes for a second. I want you to picture this. You spend hours each week writing follow-up emails. What if you use AI to draft them? And then you add your personal touch. And in 2 minutes flat, boom, time saved. And relationships are strengthened. Or maybe you run a business and you're drowning in spreadsheets. Okay? Upload them into ChatGPT. AI can analyze those numbers, highlight patterns, and you spend your energy making the big decisions. That's power. And don't miss this. When you show up as someone who embraces new tools, people notice. Clients see it. Bosses see it. Teams see it. You position yourself as a leader who isn't stuck in the past, but ready for the future. That builds confidence. And that builds opportunity. So here's your challenge for the week. Pick one thing, and just one, that you normally waste time on. Maybe it's summarizing a report. Maybe it's drafting a social media post. Maybe it's answering a common question that you got by email. Test out an AI tool to help you with it. Don't overthink it and don't judge yourself. Just try it. And then notice how much lighter your workload feels and how much more energy you have for the stuff that actually matters. If you're a team leader or you run a team or you have a team of people and you have weekly meetings, load all of your ideas that you want to talk about in ChatGPT and say, look, I want to have a 20-minute stand-up meeting, and this is what I want to cover. Can you please put this in a manageable order and give it a time frame for each subject? And it'll literally spit out a meeting for you with timestamps. You're going to be amazed at how fast you get efficient. So we're going to wrap it up like this. AI doesn't replace you. It empowers you. It's not the enemy. It's the ally. The winners in this new era will be the ones who stop fighting the tools and start mastering them. And I believe you can be one of them. You just got to step in there and do it and be smart. So we're going to leave it with that. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions, please comment or reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. And do me a favor, subscribe to the podcast and leave us a comment and tell us what you guys want to talk about. I've got the fishbowl sitting right here. I can write the ideas down. We'll throw them in the bowl and we will get to them, I promise. I hope you guys have an amazing, awesome, productive day. Be safe, take care, go find somebody and say something nice to them.
You've been listening to the Productive, Not Busy podcast. Please hit the subscribe and notification of new episodes button and visit us on social media like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok for bonus content.